section shift. The shift key is a modifier key on a keyboard, used to type capital letters and other alternate upper characters. There are typically two shift keys, on the left and right sides of the row below the home row. The shift key's name originated from the typewriter, where one had to press and hold the button to shift up the case stamp to change to capital letters. The shift key was first used in the Remington No. 2 typewriter of 1878. The No. 1 model was capital only. On the US layout and similar keyboard layouts, characters that typically require the use of the shift key include the parentheses, the question mark, the exclamation point, and the colon. When the caps lock key is engaged, the shift key can be used to type lowercase letters on many operating systems, but not Mac OS X. Labeling. The keyboard symbol for the shift key is given in ISO IEC 9995-7 as symbol 1, and in ISO 7000 OE graphical symbols for use on equipment Euro as a directional variant of the symbol ISO 7000-251. In Unicode 6.1, the character approximating this symbol best is U+21E7 upwards white arrow. This symbol is commonly used to denote the shift key on modern keyboards, sometimes in combination with the word a euro or a shift a euro or its translation in the local language. This symbol also is used in texts to denote the shift key. Uses on computer keyboards. On computer keyboards, as opposed to typewriter keyboards, the shift key can have many more uses. It is sometimes used to modify the function keys. Modern Microsoft Windows keyboards typically have only 12 function keys. Shift plus F1 must be used to type F13, Shift plus F2 for F14, etc. It can modify various Control and Alt keys. For example, if Alt-Tab is used to cycle through open windows, Shift-Alt-Tab cycles in the reverse order. Holding Shift while in a word processor will anchor the insertion point, such that moving the pointer and clicking the mouse to a new point will select the range of text in between. Holding Shift while drawing with the mouse in graphics programs generally confines the shape to a straight line, usually vertically or horizontally, or to draw squares and circles using the rectangle and ellipse tools, respectively. The Shift key can also be used to modify the mouse behavior on a computer. For example, holding Shift while clicking on a link in a web browser might cause the page to open in a new window, or to be downloaded. In some web browsers, holding Shift while scrolling will scan through previously viewed web pages. In Mac OS X, holding Shift while performing certain actions, such as minimizing a window or disabling dashboard or exposure copyright, makes the animation occur in slow motion. For some animations, holding Ctrl will make the animation move just slightly slower, and holding Ctrl plus Shift will result in an extremely slow motion animation. On some keyboards, if both Shift keys are held down simultaneously, only some letters can be typed. For example, on the Dell keyboard model AT7D20 only 16 letters can be typed. This phenomenon is known as masking, and is a fundamental limitation of the way the keyboard electronics are designed. Windows-specific, the following is a list of actions involving the Shift key for the Microsoft Windows operating system. See also, Alt-G key, Command key, Option key, Sticky keys, References.